My DJ, that nigga ain't got no pussy the whole tour, dog.
Yeah, Buddha, yeah, none at all.
That's why, look, my bad, hold on, my nigga, let me give that fuck nigga a pass. I'm gonna give him a pass. Cause I don't wanna fuck up the rest of the show for y'all niggas. Respect it. Fuck him, man. He don't get no weed. You know what that nigga need? He needs some Patron. Get that nigga some Patron. Get that nigga some Patron. Get that nigga a shot. Nah, fuck him. Where the bottle go?
Where the bottle at?
Okay, alright, nah, fuck respect. Hey nigga, alright, that's good, I'm glad you did that. Now nigga, I swear to God, nigga, on my daughter, if you fuck up again, I'ma beat your ass like Ike beat Tina. I'ma beat your ass like Ike beat Tina, nigga, if you fuck her one more time, nigga. So keep your shit together. Follow my lead, motherfucker. What that nigga said, do it for the bitches. Do it like you about to get some pussy, even though we know you're not. Stupid motherfucker, hold on. Watch this. That nigga a fuck nigga tonight. I don't know what's wrong with that nigga. Cause motherfucker, I'm thugging. Selling you the signs of the street rap. Every motherfucking show I do is on the beat rap. I done been in jail.